بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Understand Al-Quran the easy way.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Course 2 Grammar, page 5, pointer C, Radiya, Nasiya, and we have done it many times. Just have a look. Radiya, Radiya,
Radia,
Nasiya,
Nasia,
Khashiya,
Khasia,
Laqiya.
Lakhia.
Let me know, this is sound verb or this is a weak verb? These are the weak verbs or sound verbs? Can you recognize?
Weak word. Yes.
MashaAllah. Yeah, these are the weak verbs because there is one of the weak letters.
Yes.
So any weak letter if comes in the middle, in the beginning, in the end of the verb, so that verb is gonna be weak. That's why we call weak verb. And if there is no vowel of Arabic, if there is no alif, waw, and ya in the verb, so the verb is called sound verb, as you know well, mashallah. Now we have learned sound verbs like fatah, nasara, daraba, sami'a, and also weak verbs also, like they start from any weak letter, maybe wow, maybe any other. Let's take radiya. Radiya means he was pleased. He was pleased. Radiya fi'l madi. Radiya fi'l madi. He was pleased. He was satisfied. He approved. Last letter is weak. Radiyallahu anhum wa radu an. Radiyallahu anhum wa radu an. So radiya, radu.
Radia, Radu,
Radita,
Radita,
raditu,
Raditu,
raditum,
Raditum,
radina.
Radina.
This is fi'l madi or mudare?
This is fi'l madi.
MashaAllah. Spoken Arabic. Hal radiya?
Nam Radia.
Hal radu?
Nam Radu.
Hal radita?
Nam Raditu.
Hal raditum? Hal raditum?
Nam Radina.
MashaAllah. Okay, now translate raditum. Raditum. Translate. You will be pleased. He will be pleased. He is pleased. You all were pleased. Raditum.
You all would place Ditum.
All were pleased. MashaAllah. You all. Okay. Nasitum. Nasitum.
Nasitum, you all forget.
You all forget. All forgot. The A, you mean A?
Yes, A.
Perfect. Hal nasitum. Hal nasitum.
Halasitu.
The answer is
Manasina.
Manasina. MashaAllah. Hal radita?
Aladita. Will you be pleased?
Am I pleased? Are you pleased? Hal radita? Will you be pleased? So which one is? You have to translate. Hal radita.
Al radita, you are pleased.
Are you pleased? Yes.
Are you pleased?
Okay, now let's do mudari'. Yarda
Yarda
and yasma'u.
يسمع
Yeah, yarda is the pattern on yasma'u. The pattern is sami'a, yasma'u, yardaw, yardawna,
يردو
tarda.
يرضى
No,
ترضى
no. Yarda, yardawna, tarda.
يرضى رد ردو
Yardawna,
أو ترضون
tarda,
ترضى
arda,
أرضى
tardawna,
ترضون
narda.
نرضى.
Okay, so spoken Arabic. هل يرضى؟ نعم يرضى. هل يرضون؟ نعم يرضون. هل ترضى؟ نعم أرضى. هل ترضون؟ نعم نرضى. You know it well, mashallah?
Yes.
Okay. Now translate into Arabic. They are pleased.
يرضون.
Mashallah. يرضون. Yes, that's it. Okay, you have to give me the answer. هل ترضى عنهم؟ هل ترضى مضارع هل ترضى عنهم؟
نعم أرضى عنهم.
ما شاء الله, that's it. نعم أرضى عنهم. وتنسون أنفسكم. وتنسون أنفسكم. Translate.
And you all forget yourself.
MashaAllah. And okay.
Yes.
Perfect. You all forget yourselves. MashaAllah. Okay, now let's make Amr irda. Irda.
إرضى.
إرضوا.
إرضوا.
لا ترضى.
لا ترضى.
لا ترضوا.
لا ترضوا.
Okay. راض.
راض.
مرضي.
مرضي.
رضا.
رضا.
Yes. هل أنتم راضون؟ هل أنتم راضون؟
نعم. أو نعم نحن راضون.
Perfect. Perfect. نعم نحن راضون. ما شاء الله. Okay. Do it once. راضية. ماضي. رضية. رضوا.
رضوا.
رضيت.
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 رضيتم.
رضيتم.
رضينا.
رضينا.
رضيت.
رضيت.
down level. ماضي, this is ماضي. رضيت.
Okay.
Yeah, left hand down level, not this level, this level. Yes. يرضى.
يرضى.
يرضون.
يرضون.
ترضى.
ترضى.
أرضى.
أرضى.
ترضون.
ترضون.
نرضى.
نرضى.
ترضى.
ترضى.
ارضى.
ارضى.
ارضوا.
ارضوا.
لا ترضى.
لا ترضى.
لا ترضوا.
لا ترضوا.
راض.
راضي.
مرضي.
مرضي.
رضا.
رضا.
Perfect. MashaAllah. Yes, note the change. You have noted already. Alhamdulillah. Now, راضية.
راضية.
يرضى.
يرضى.
ارضى.
يرضى.
راض.
راضي.
مرضي.
مرضي.
رضا.
رضا.
Okay, if we say الراضي, there should be tanween at the end. الراضي. We add al at the beginning. There should be tanween at the end.
الراضي.
No, if we add, this is a word, radin. We add al. Hamza Fatha Lam Sukun Al at the beginning. We say Al Radi. So there should be tanween, there should be a radin or a radi.
Aradin.
There should be a radin.
Yeah, because it's two kasar there.
No, but when you add al at the beginning, the kasra will be removed automatically because after al there is no kasra. And no tanween, no tanween. Just one kasra will be there. It will be a radi.
A radi, yes.
Okay, now 3 noun keys of radiya are 3 noun keys. You have to choose. Everyone should be noun.
Radi. Okay, Radi Mardia Rida.
Perfect. So radu, yardawna, radiyat, raduna. Let's take radiya style verbs. Nasiya,
Nas.
yansa, insa. Yansa,
Yansa.
insa.
Insa.
Nasin,
Nasi.
mansi.
Mansi.
Nisyan,
Nisyan.
khashiya,
Sia.
yakhsha,
Yaksa.
ikhsha.
Iksa.
Khashin,
Khachi.
makhshi,
Naksi.
khashiya.
Khash.
Laqiya,
Lakia.
yalqa,
Yalqa.
ilqa,
Ilqa.
laqin,
Laqin.
malqi,
Malqin.
liqa.
Liqa.
Yes. Okay, 3 noun keys of nasiya are, everyone should be verb. 3 verb keys of.
Nasia Manasia Yuns. Okay, Nasia Yunsauna.
Anyone? Any other different verbs? Because yansa and yansauna are the mudare. It's okay. The answer is good. Yes. Everyone is verb.
Yeah.
You can choose B also. You can choose B. Because nasiya, yansa, insa. The pattern is we are reading.
B.
Oh, mashallah, the lesson is finished. Alhamdulillah, we have done it. May Allah Almighty accept it and help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.
يا رب.
This is good. The answers were correct, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.